Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you get unlimited referrals on Temu. So in order to get this, there's a trick that you can do using your Discord application. So you need to have access to your Discord. So just get access to your Discord application if you don't have one. So once you got that, so what do you need? You need to get click on this link here. So I can post this link on the description if you want, but this is the link. So you need to exactly click on this link here, and then once you get to this link here, this will open up into a Discord server here. This server Luxo Hub, so that's the Discord server's name. So it will give you access, the link will give you access to this hub. So once you get to this hub here, what you have to do is go scroll down and go to the Temu section, and then under Temu section, go for refer option here. Click on it, and then all you have to do now here is simply just paste your referral link here. So your referral link from Temu. So just paste it here, and then what you're going to do, like people from this server will try to access will access your link, and also you also try to click on other people's like other users links here. And also it's like a way of a combined way, so where it's like a combined method, like where we help each other. So people will users will click your link as well as you can click their links. So in that way you will get that's how you get in this way you can get unlimited referrals. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.